What element brought Qigong into your Kung Fu?
So when I'm doing Qigong, I feel like I focus really into myself when I'm doing the exercise. I focus on my breathing, on the flow of the movements from Qigong.
Do you feel the energy in your body when you're doing Qigong or Kung Fu?
And I started feel it little by little more, day by day. When I practice it more, you have to be in a really good environment when you practice it. And your mental state has to be also really in peace. And during these moments, you will gain more the feeling. Because nowadays, everyone lives in a hectic life, especially in Hong Kong.
Yes.
And you need something to step back and to
relax.
Yeah, to feel relaxed.
How do you slow down?
Take some time of the day to have some time for myself. Maybe half an hour, 1 hour. It can be 5 minutes. It can be 10 minutes. It can be one movement or two movements to relieve your stress. So it depends.
Did you notice any improvement in your martial arts since you're doing Qigong?
In Kung Fu, normally you exercise the physical body. It's about self-defense. In Qigong, it's like totally the opposite. So you're doing the movements, you're doing the exercise, but it's more in a slow movements. So
and how the slow movements improving your Kung Fu when Kung Fu is about fighting and being quick, right, and responding to your opponent. How actually the slow movement can help you with your fighting?
It's helping here. It's the mental state. Yeah. So in Kung Fu, it looks intense, but in Qigong, it's totally the opposite. So you have to relax and don't use strength. Don't think about to be intense or how to hit someone or to defend or yourself. And in this way, you will get rid of all the intensity. So you have to be peaceful.
Oh, yeah.
Because when your mind is in a peaceful state, you can handle and have a better control over your body. It's always like practicing martial arts, like Kung Fu, or I went to the gym, or like in intense exercise.
Very
to
physical.
Sweat, you know,
yes.
To sweat and doing active workouts. But I felt like, okay, this is a good workout, but when I'm getting older, I want to also find a way in how to relax your body and mind without doing intensive workouts.
Oh, that's a really good suggestion. Yeah. For people not, only focus on their physical and muscles and strength, but actually you can keep your health and your performance, your overall well-being with something much more calmer.